In today's competitive market, distinguishing your company's commitment to sustainability is crucial. Now that your company has been ATMO approved for the class of 2024, let's start to use properly the toolkit we have sent you. Check your email for the link to the shared folder. The label offers a streamlined solution for showcasing your use of natural refrigerants. Begin by selecting the appropriate label version to add on your systems and components. The design manual will help you. Next, integrate the label into your communication strategy. Display proudly your certificate in your office. Use this achievement on email signatures and business cards. At trade shows, make your booth stand out with a prominently placed label, and during presentations or meeting, use it to highlight your choice of sustainable solutions. Remember to include the label in your catalog and ESG reports to reinforce your sustainability narrative. A key tip: ensure consistent use of the label across all platforms for maximum impact. Use the hashtag ATMOApproved in your posts on LinkedIn or other social media. For more details on leveraging the label to its fullest potential, contact us or visit our webpage.